Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Ish and you are watching Just Money, where we talk about financial related topics such as credit, real estate loans, and other financial related topics. So if you're interested on knowing on how to get high credit limits or any other financial related topics, then you're probably going to want to consider subscribing. But without further ado, let's get into today's video. So in today's review, I will be talking about the secured Merrick Bank Classic Mastercard. And I will also mention on how to get the Merrick Platinum Visa unsecured credit card in this video. Okay, so real quick, first and foremost, let me explain what a secured credit card is for those of you that don't know. A secured credit card looks and acts just like any other credit card, but the difference is you have to make a deposit in order to get the card, which secures your credit line. The deposit is FDIC insured, and the amount of your security deposit will be equal to your initial credit line. Okay, so now what is a security deposit? A security deposit acts as collateral on your secured credit card. You make the security deposit and then your credit line becomes the amount of that security deposit. All secured credit cards require the security deposit, and you won't qualify for the card if you can't make the full deposit within 20 days of applying. Okay, now how do you pay your security deposit? Okay, so once you apply, you will need to make your security deposit within 20 days. You can make your security deposit using your bank's online payment service, ACH, MoneyGram, Western Union, money order, or a check. Okay, now let's talk about this card. The name is Classic Secured Mastercard by Merrick Bank. For this card, you pick the credit line by choosing your initial deposit. Your deposit must be in the range anywhere from $200 to $3,000. They also offer another secured credit card on their website, but in order to keep this video short, I'll make a separate video on that card later. And please note that you can only choose one out of the two secured credit cards that they offer, so choose wisely. For this credit card, your account will be reviewed periodically after the first year to be able to qualify for a credit line increase. If you qualify for a credit line increase, then no additional security deposit is required. But you can also keep adding money to your initial deposit if you want to increase the limit without waiting. The good thing is that you do not need an invitation in order to apply for any of these two credit cards. You can just simply apply online, and I'll leave a link to their website in the description below. And no, it's not an affiliate link, so I don't get paid if you guys click on the link. You can also choose the color of the card you like from one out of the 5 color choices that they offer, which is pretty neat. Okay, now moving on to the good. This card reports your utilization and payment history to the 3 major credit bureaus, which are TransUnion, Equifax, Experian, and all that helps you build a good credit rating. Initial credit starts anywhere from $200 to $3,000 depending on your initial deposit that you use. And the actual secured credit card does not have the word secured credit card on it, so no one's gonna be able to see if it's a secured credit card, just in case you're wondering. They also offer a fast and online easy application process, so that's cool. Okay, so where can you use this card? Well, you can pretty much use this card anywhere Mastercard is accepted, such as in stores, online shopping, retailers worldwide, just pretty much anywhere a Mastercard is accepted. It has all the advantages, benefits, and privileges of having a Mastercard, including zero fraud liability for unauthorized charges, worldwide ATM access, and identity theft monitoring. They also offer free online access to your account 24/7, and free access to your FICO score once you set up your online account page. And all Merrick cards come with fraud protection and account alerts. They have a 24/7 customer service access via phone or online, and you can also withdraw cash from any ATM using your designated PIN number. And I would recommend this card for anybody that's trying to build or rebuild their credit. Definitely the way to go. And also, if you guys are finding this information helpful, if you guys could do me a favor and slap the like button, I truly appreciate that. If you guys are understanding something, then comment down below. I do read all comments, and consider subscribing if this is the kind of information you like. Okay, now moving along, let's talk about the fees on this card. So the annual fee for this card is $36 up front for the first year, and then it's going to be $3 a month every year after that. APR is currently 20.45%, but depending on the time you're watching this video, that may differ. And there is a 4% fee on cash advances, similar to most credit cards though. And the APR for cash advances are 25.45%. And there's also a $40 fee for late payments. And these credit cards do not graduate to unsecured credit cards, just in case you're wondering. The only way to get your security deposit back is to close your account, and then once the account is closed, then you get your deposit back in about 20 days. So overall, this is a pretty good credit card if you're looking to build or rebuild your credit. And once your credit is already built, then you can apply for a better credit card with a lower APR. And try to keep a very low balance on your card, so that way you can build up your credit score even faster. Okay, now let me tell you about a hack or tip if you want to get an invitation for the Merrick Bank Platinum Visa unsecured credit card. What you do is apply for the Merrick Bank Secured Mastercard. If you get approved for the secured credit card, then in about 3 to 7 days, you'll get an invitation in the mail for the Merrick Bank unsecured Visa credit card. Your initial credit will be similar to the amount you used as a deposit on your secured credit card. So for example, if you deposited $1,000 to get the secured card, the mail offer for the the unsecured platinum Visa card would be the same of around $1,000. As your first credit limit, that would double in 7 months. Now this hack isn't guaranteed for everyone because it is based on your credit worthiness, but it does work, and I hope this helps. If you guys are finding this information helpful, hit the like button for me. So overall, I think this is a good credit card to build or even rebuild your credit. I really hope this information was useful, and let me know in the comments if you guys want me to review any other credit cards. Feel free to comment down below. I do read all comments. And also, I will be making a more in-depth video about the double your limit secured card that I mentioned earlier. And this will be with their second secured credit card that they offer, and this one doubles your limit in 7 months. Check in the description for a link to that video down below. And I also posted links to other credit cards that I reviewed in the past before down in the description below. But that'll wrap up today's video, guys. If you guys made it to the end of the video, then I do truly appreciate you guys. We're at almost 3,000 subscribers at the time of this recording, so appreciate all who watch. I do post every Sunday and Wednesday, 7 a.m. Pacific Coast time. And if you guys want to figure out how to get high limits on your credit cards, then I have other videos on my channel pertaining to that. I'll list some in the description below. And for those that don't know, I am also a real estate agent here in Southern California. So if you're looking to buy or sell or have any questions in regards to real estate, then I'd be more than happy to help you out. All my information will be in the description below. And also, depending on the time you're watching this video, I will be a licensed mortgage loan originator, so I'll be funding loans as well. So I'll see you guys in a few days. Thanks for watching.